I welcome you all with my love and respects. Introducing the Inner Awakening program is literally impossible because till the last moment of the program, continuously you will be getting introduced to life. This program itself is an introduction to life. How can I introduce the program which is already an introduction? I cannot classify this program into a yoga program or just a meditation program. I can't even classify this as a program. If I had to, if I am forced to classify, I'll only say this whole thing is a transformational process. Transformational process. Maybe you want to know what are we going to really do and what is it all about? Who are you? So you may have many of those questions. I'll try to answer those questions. I'll give a factual introduction about me in 2-3 lines. Anybody who is capable of transmitting the enlightenment experience they had is called an incarnation. Please understand. Person who can transmit the enlightenment experience which he had is incarnation. So with this definition, I am very definite and very clear. I am an incarnation to transmit this enlightenment experience. I had that experience at the age of 12, and I discovered my capacity to transmit that experience to others at the age of 22. This whole program is nothing but helping you to discover your enlightenment experience, conscious explosion, and transmitting this experience into you through awakening the Kundalini energy. Kundalini is inner potential energy. Awakening your inner potential energy. Through awakening your inner potential energy, transmitting this experience to all of you. This whole program is a transformational process. We have done thorough scientific study on this program, researches on this program. I wanted all of you to know all the process, method, techniques, technology, kriya, yoga, breathing exercises, everything used in this program is time tested, foolproof. Now, thoroughly scientifically studied, analyzed. I am only an organizer, not inventor. I have not invented any of these methods and practices which you are going to do in this 21 days. I only collected everything from the different sacred scriptures of Hindu tradition, the Vedic tradition, and in an organized way presenting it to all of you. That's all. I am only an organizer and presenter. I am not an inventor. Of course, I have experienced everything, whatever I am sharing with you all, as my personal experience. So, you can go through the whole program in a completely relaxed way. Your body will be prepared through heavy yoga and panchakriyas. Your mind will be prepared by the sacred truths, unsacred secrets about life. Every problem you faced, facing, or may face. Above all, your consciousness will be purified and awakened every day by initiation to awaken your Kundalini energy. Helping you to experience higher consciousness. Liberating you from many of the conditionings and patterns with which you are struggling, suffering. Through various kriyas, your body will be continuously healed from various disorders and restrictions. See, your body is not only suffering with disease and disorders, restrictions. I am not only going to free you from disease and disorders, I am going to free your body even from restrictions, making it completely alive. I define yogic body as body with energy, stamina, physique, and power. So the yoga and kriyas which you will be practicing is not only bending the body, you will be even working with dumbbells. To raise the stamina. And every day you are expected to go through the panchakriyas, 5 cleansing method as per the Ayurveda. Cleaning your eyes, cleaning your mouth to intestine through the neem juice, cleaning both the nostrils through a special kriya using water, and cleaning the nose and throat through a small tube using enema to clean the rectum. Panchakriyas, 5 Ayurvedic kriyas to heal the system and cooperate with this spiritual transformation process. Please understand, This process is not just touching your conscious mind or unconscious mind. It is going to the level of your DNA itself. Your very bio-memory gets transformed. So the transformation which we are going to do in these 21 days is to the level of your very DNA, your very bio-memory. That is why so many diseases and disorders, even what do you call hereditary, even the hereditary diseases, people walk out of it, people come out of it. You have 12 layers of DNA. All human beings have only 2 layers awakened. When I started this process, sharing this transformational process with people, I promised them 4 more layers I will awaken. Means when you go out of the program, you will go out with 6 layers of DNA awakened. Means more intelligence, more spiritual quotient, and more emotional stability. It is like you come with 2 layer and go with 6 layer. It's almost like a 2 more person is added to you. 200% is added to you. You go with 6 layer. But in our scientific researches we found 100% all participants go out with 8 layers awakened. And all those reports, they will present it to you. You can sit and watch in a very relaxed way. They are also saying, the doctors who are doing the research, they are also saying, even if you have cancer in your family history, that DNA is completely awakened, means that possibility of cancer is completely thrown out of your system. And this mitochondria cell energy, your body has a mitochondria cell which we roughly equate it to Kundalini energy. We call it inner potential energy, which is a battery source, energy source for your cells. This mitochondria cell energy, usually if it comes down to 60%, all normal human beings carry 100%, and 100% is a certain unit. If it comes to 60 unit, only then all the fatal diseases like cancer or the old age problems, the diseases which swallows your life starts happening. Through our inner awakening program, we have proved again and again and again the minimum. Please understand, I am not saying average. Average is 1300%. Minimum 1000% mitochondria cell energy increases in every participant. I am not saying 99.99%. Then everyone will believe I am that 0.0001% who is not going to have. So the mitochondria cell energy increases. Naturally that results into anti-aging. And we have also done some more studies which proves at least 20 years you become young. There are many scales like body mass index, blood pressure, diabetes, the skin tone, so many. measurements with which they measure. They are saying at least 20 years. So, in 21 days, I'll reduce your 20-year age. And I'll increase your conscious capacity to live any number of years without boredom. Understand? This is very important thing. People go on doing exercise, yoga, and prepare the body to live for a long time. But they don't understand in the old age, if you are physically healthy and mentally not grown enough, not conscious enough, not peaceful enough to live, it will be hell. I know many very healthy old age people but can't live because they can't handle many of the things which comes in the old age, that loneliness. Naturally, when you are not contributing, there will not be buzz around you. So many things which old age brings, they are not able to handle. So physically they are ready to live, but mentally they are not ready. It is the worst hell. I tell you, I'll now prepare your biomemory for graceful aging. Anti-aging and graceful aging. Both will happen through this program. Anti-aging may be for beauty, graceful aging for grace. Whole world is so much obsessed with anti-aging, they forget this concept of graceful aging. Preparing your mind for graceful aging, preparing your body for anti-aging. I'll give you a simple introduction about the process we are going to do next 2 days. See, this whole program I have divided into various components. Enlightenment has various components. A perfect yogic body, perfect intelligence to create wealth. Please understand, that is also part of enlightenment. Enlightenment means continuously contributing to society. Poverty is not the lifestyle of enlightenment.